Your GPS to Black-owned spirits.
It is day 27 of Veda. If it's your first time here, welcome in. If you're returning, welcome back to another episode of us.
This channel is about me and I showing love and recognizing and patronizing, supporting, and encouraging people to try Black options. This channel we will interview, taste test, review Black-owned spirits all month. We've been making cocktails using Black-owned brands, and today, guys, we got a treat for you. Now, this cocktail is a favorite. I'm not gonna say it's a hood classic. It's definitely something we used to sip on.
So neighborhood classic.
Yeah, in college and in the late 90s.
Oh, yeah.
It's definitely one of those OG drinks. But we're gonna switch it up a little bit. The drink we're talking about today is the Incredible Hulk. The Incredible Hulk is Hennessy and Hypnotic. But of course, this channel we're not drinking where the main base would be, because again we're mixing with other products as well. But the base would be the main ingredient on this channel would be from Black-owned spirits. So instead of Hennessy, we're using NYAK. NYAK is a Black-owned brand out of New York. They call it the Black Yak, I heard called. And there's other cognacs out there. It's not the only Black-owned cognac, but this is the one that we have. So this is the one we're gonna try today. And I'm hearing great things. You hear a lot of people. Trina has a deal with her own brand of NYAK. I know Young and May has endorsed, and she's behind this also as well. So shout out to all the people at NYAK. We will do an official review on this brand, this bottle later on, but today we're focusing on the cocktail, which is the Incredible Hulk. Now, the Incredible Hulk consists of just 2 ingredients. So we're not gonna make this a 20-minute video of 2 drinks, and we don't even have to shake this drink. Just slightly stir to get the effect that we're looking for, but it's cognac and Hypnotic. Now, Hypnotic is a liqueur, a fruit-based liqueur. It's pretty much cognac, vodka, and pretty much fruit juice. So it's a fruity drink in nature. This drink, the Hypnotic, was actually created in New York at Puffy's restaurant, Justin's. I know if y'all, we in Atlanta, we've been to Justin's many times. Y'all know how Justin is. It was the spot for Black greatness. You go there and see celebrities, eat good food.
That should have stayed open a little while longer.
Every time we went to Justin's, it was always Key Sweat, Jagged Edge, 112, Faith Evans. We never seen Diddy there, but we seen everybody else every single time. So I can just only imagine what the New York restaurant was. I know the Atlanta restaurant, at least when it was on Peachtree, was lit. But the cocktail started at Justin's restaurant in New York. Hypnotic was actually had a launch party at Justin's. And a lot of the ladies was buying the Hypnotic because this is a fruity cocktail drink. And one of the bartenders, I think his name is Victor, I think when I did the research, was like, man, we got to figure out, or the representative was trying to figure out how can we get guys to try this Hypnotic, because it seems like all the ladies in here is buying and trying out this one. So the bartender said, how about let's mix a cognac? And of course, no Black people, we love our yak. And so he grabbed Hennessy, he mixed Hennessy with the Hypnotic, and there you have it. And then the great idea was right then and there to stir it up, and then became this green phenomenon. And so that's how Hypnotic started. It started as them trying to get men to try to drink at this launch party at Justin's in New York. And so that's the story behind Hypnotic. Let's not waste any more time. Let's make it, then we'll talk afterwards. Alright guys, so here you have it. The classic, the epic, Incredible Hulk. You wanna go sit this thing first? Let me sit that thing. Let me sit that thing. I haven't had this. I probably haven't had this drink about 20-some years, and I don't know why we like it. It's not good. It's just such a hood classic. The Hypnotic definitely brings out the sweetness in this. And the cognac is cognac.
The mixture of liqueurs is, I think.
Yeah, try it, baby. See, it bring back old college memories. Not bad.
But I remember we used to drink that just Hypnotic.
Yeah. Hypnotic, Alizé. Y'all remember Alizé?
Oh.
Cisco. It's not bad, man. Shout out to everyone back in the 90s who remember this drink. Go get that thing, baby. Take to the head, baby. Throw away the straw, baby. Stop playing with it.
I'm trying to enjoy.
Baby, you can't be a lady drinking some Incredible Hulk, baby. Y'all, thank y'all so much for rocking with us these past, 27 days. Y'all, we literally got, what, 5 days left, 5 videos left.
Whew.
Now,
we might have to.
What do we want to do tomorrow, baby? You want to do the Miami Vice? That's a Sheldon request, or do you want what you want to do, baby? You want to go knock out that Miami Vice tomorrow?
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, we'll go.
So this request is
frozen. What, we did anything frozen yet?
I don't think so.
No,
and so this is two requests, because Sheldon requested Miami Vice, but Cooking with Net requested a frozen drink. So this is a double request tomorrow. So y'all make sure y'all tune in tomorrow for day 28, guys. We appreciate it. And I hope y'all like this recipe.
No, we hope you love this recipe.
It's time to sweat with this recipe. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell, that beep, so you can stay notified whenever we drop new content. Guys, y'all can see we're feeling a lot better today. Today is Sunday. I don't know. I think yesterday we tried to go walking. I think I want to try that again. Yeah, just get a little bit. I want to get some activities.
I need some fresh air. Yeah.
So, but we are feeling a lot better. Again, y'all. Thank y'all so much. Thank you for everyone else who came on our live last night, man. Last night was epic. We appreciate all the love and support, guys.
Shout out to Team Reese for the meal.
Thank you for Team Reese for the meal, and congratulations to Parker on the Go for hitting 2K on the live last night. But that's it, guys. Y'all make sure y'all follow us on Instagram, Sippin with Me and I. We do post daily on the page and also post in our story. Baby, tell them the website.
It is shopmeteandi.com. Again, it is shopmeteandi.com.
All right, guys. So on the meteandi.com website, you can get the God First, the Sippin with Me and I, Fam in Real Life coming soon on there, and everything, guys. The Meet and I merch. And we love y'all. Tap in with us. Stay connected with us, guys. We'll see y'all tomorrow for day 20. Is it 28, right?
28.
28. Hypnotic. NYAK. Black on.
We on that, y'all.
We on. Shout out to Shake. We out.